This is a multidimensional box for the sound of the universe, which is made of triangles. From these triangles you take out the sound and then you can listen to it. From this set of triangles, which you can make a 3D shape. So from the first dimension to the second dimension, which is the square, and from this third dimension to the fourth dimension, which multiplies in a mirror kind of way, you can keep going and scoop out all the sounds of the universe. And from another triangle, unfold the universe, cosmic literacy, swallow the sound, exhale the tone, the womb origin of melody, evoke the rhythm in the cell of the soul.